Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about BMO Bank's operations. Does BMO Bank operate in both Canada and the United States? The answer is a clear yes. BMO, which stands for Bank of Montreal, is a major North American financial institution with a strong presence in both countries. In Canada, BMO is one of the largest banks, offering a wide range of personal and commercial banking, wealth management, and investment services. In the United States, BMO operates as BMO Bank, N.A., which is a substantial U.S. national bank. They've grown their U.S. footprint through a series of acquisitions over the years and provide a full spectrum of financial services to individuals and businesses. So whether you are in Canada or the U.S., you can access BMO's services. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.